A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's Zarshal from class 9, the student of Han Children Academy. Today I am going to explain human blood circulatory system and the path through which blood circulates in your body. Blood vessels. The way the large building have corridors, similarly blood vessels run through all of the tissue of your body. Some blood vessels are as wide as your thumb, while some are much finer than a human hair. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood away from heart, except pulmonary artery. The walls of arteries consist of three layers. The inner layer, which is made up of epithelial tissue. The middlemost layer consists of smooth muscles and elastic fiber, and the outer layer, which is made up of flexible connective tissue. Because of their structure, arteries have both strength and flexibility. Veins. Veins are blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood from body toward heart. The walls of veins, like those of arteries, have three layers with muscle in the middle layer. The blood pressure in the veins is much lower than blood pressure in the arteries. Capillaries. Capillaries are microscopic blood vessels are found in the cell of tissue. They have a cell made up of single layer of flattened cells called epithelial tissue. Their walls are partially permeable, means that enable the substances to diffuse readily through it. Heart. Heart is a muscular pumping organ located in a fibrous bag-like protective cover called pericardium. Internally, heart consists of four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. Atriums are completely separated from each other by an interarticular septum. Similarly, ventricles are completely separated from each other by an interventricular septum. In between the right atrium and right ventricle lies a tricuspid wall. Similarly, between the left atrium and left ventricle lies a bicuspid wall. Circulation. The circulation of blood in our body is called double circuit system because it circulates into two separate circuits: pulmonary circuit and systemic circuit. Pulmonary circuit. Transport of blood from right ventricle toward the lungs by pulmonary artery and back from lungs toward the left atrium by pulmonary vein is called pulmonary circuit. The deoxygenated blood all over the body received into the right atrium and then collected into the right ventricle. Upon contraction, the right ventricle pushes the blood into the pulmonary artery that goes to the lungs, where blood gives up its carbon dioxide and takes oxygen from air at capillary level. Now, deoxygenated becomes oxygenated and it flows back from lungs toward left atrium by pulmonary vein. Now, blood circulates in your body through systemic circuit. I hope you will get my points. Thank you very much.